In 1902, a 23-year-old unemployed man sat alone in a tiny apartment in Switzerland. No university wanted him. His teachers thought he was lazy. His father believed he had failed at life. And soon, the world would call him the greatest genius in human history. This is the true story of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. But unlike the legend we know today, young Albert didn't look like a genius at all. He spoke very late as a child. Some teachers even believed he would never amount to anything. School was torture for him, rigid rules, memorization, blind obedience. And Einstein hated every second of it. But one moment changed everything. When he was 5 years old, his father handed him a small compass. The needle moved mysteriously, even though nobody touched it. That tiny moment awakened something inside him. What invisible forces control the universe? That question would consume his life forever. As a teenager, Einstein rebelled against the education system. He skipped classes, ignored authority, and struggled to fit in. After graduation, things got worse, much worse. For nearly 2 years, Einstein couldn't find a job. He was rejected again and again and again. Imagine this, the future genius who would rewrite physics couldn't even get hired as a teacher. At his lowest point, Einstein took temporary tutoring jobs. Some even fired him. Eventually, a friend helped him land a boring office job, working as a clerk at the Swiss patent office in Bern. To the world, he looked like a complete failure, but secretly, his mind was exploding with ideas. By day, Einstein reviewed patent applications, but at night, he obsessed over impossible questions. What if time wasn't constant? What if light behaved differently than anyone imagined? What if space itself could bend? Then, in 1905, everything changed. In a single year, Einstein published 4 scientific papers that shocked the world. One explained the photoelectric effect. Another proved atoms were real. Another introduced special relativity. And from that work came the most famous equation in history, E equals mc. Squared energy and mass were connected. Reality itself had changed, and almost nobody understood him. At first, many scientists rejected Einstein's ideas. Some thought relativity was absurd. Others simply couldn't understand it. But slowly, experiments proved he was right. And suddenly, the unemployed patent clerk became the most famous scientist on Earth. By 1921, Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. Reporters followed him everywhere. His face became globally recognized, and his name became synonymous with genius. But fame never changed who he truly was, a curious man, asking impossible questions. The world remembers Einstein as a genius, but maybe that's the wrong lesson, because Einstein wasn't born extraordinary. He was rejected, ignored, mocked, lost, and uncertain. What made him different was that he never stopped questioning the universe, even when nobody believed in him. And maybe that's why his story still matters today. Sometimes the people who seem lost are the ones about to change the world. If this story inspired you, subscribe for more true stories that changed history forever.